morning, Miss Beth here again. I have your video for today's activities, and I am going to move to the side. Right. This one is for all the classes because 7th and 8th grade, because we are going to try to start in our virtual book. So let's check. First thing in the plan says don't forget to report your attendance here. So don't forget, every day, that's your routine. Every day you're gonna get here. First thing is to report attendance. So you fill your form and you report your attendance. And the second part says, about me, part 2. Now you remember you did part 1 last class, and it was to create slideshow about yourselves. And then you put a lot of things that you like to do and that you would like to do, and that you would like to be and stuff like that. So we get to know better. Now you're going to record a video showing that slide. And well, you would be wondering like, okay, well, she wants me to record a video, but how am I going to record that? So here it is. This video that I'm making right now, and the ones that I have posted before, I work with this tool. So I'm going to introduce you to the tool that I use, and it's called Screencast-O-Matic. So you go to Screencast-O-Matic. It looks like this. When you click Launch for a Recorder, it's going to show you right here, and it gives you options to be here on the side or to be right there. But we're gonna choose the side because you need to show. So what I did was to record my video, I used my own presentation that is right here. So I have my presentation and I have it right there, and I'm here on the side where I made a mistake and I put myself there. So I'm just gonna be here so I don't cover my pictures, and then you just go with your presentation and you say what you put in the presentation, and that's all you have to do. Once you finish doing that, you are going to go back to your plan. Let's put this here. Okay. You go back to your plan, and right here you're gonna find the button that you have to click to submit, and then you just paste your URL. Oh, no, sorry. I had to tell you something. When you record your video here, you're going to have the options to save it at the end. So right here at the bottom, it says, let's see, it shows the pause button and then the stop. So you stop, and then it gives you the options to record. Mine, I upload to YouTube, and then I post the link for YouTube. But you can choose to just make it an MP4, and then you can submit that link. I think that will work. So we're just trying our tools to see what works. So let's see if that works. But then you have to submit it like you submit any other URL. You have the option to do that. Now for what in this video that I'm recording right now is gonna be right here where it says, hold on, I need to turn the light on. I pause the video. That's one of the good things about this video. You can pause it. You don't need to say the whole thing at once. You had time to pause and breathe and try to do it again. But the lights went off because it was too long. Okay, so I was saying that this video that I'm recording right now is going to be right here where it says instructional video. Okay, so what we're doing today, it says today's activity. We are going to sign in our virtual book. Sorry, I got an itch. In our virtual book. So I put some steps here that you need to follow. It's very simple. It's supposed to be very simple, so I just hope it works. So we go to savasrealize.com. There it is, savasrealize.com. Oh, no way. Let me just sign out because I was signing and I want to show you the whole thing. Okay, let's try again. SabasRealize.com. Okay, takes me here. SabasRealize. And we're going to click sign in. Once you click sign in, it's going to take you here. You are not going to use a username. You are not going to use a password. You're going to click where it says Sabas Easy Bridge. Click right there. And then you're going to have several options here, like a drop up. You're going to look for Union Car Public Schools -INT. I cannot show you all the options because I already picked mine, but you have those options. And then you pick this one and you click go. Once you click go, you should be inside your book. So mine looks like that, but yours has to look different because, well, I have a teacher, but I think that actually they ask you if you're a teacher or a student. So you speak your right choices, you fill whatever information they ask you, and then you're going to get to where it says my assignments, and then you're going to find your assignment for today. So let's go here. This is the assignments I have. If I click on assignments, it's going to take you right here, and that's your assignment. So before we go with that, it says open my assignments and then open this form. You're going to open this form and you have to fill some information in this form, and then you're going to click next. Okay, you have to fill all the answers. You fill it with the real information because otherwise I won't know that it's you. I'm just doing something. And then you're going to do the previewing. So you're going to answer these questions and then click next. And then you have the viewing part. So you have your activities right here, the instruction for the two activities that you have, and then you're going to go to watch the video to answer. Right here, since it's the assignment, it's not going to open, so I'm going to go from the place where I get the assignment, and right there is the video. So when I click this, it's going to open the video. This video says that it has 3 parts. The first time I watched the video, I was like, okay, it started, and at the end it said continuará, to be continued. And I was like, oh, and where's the rest? And I didn't realize that there was an arrow right here that says next, and that gives me the second part of the video.
Listen to Wendy Joyner describe Spanish. Work hard in class. Look for unit Dios.
And that's the end of the video. But it says number 3, so I went there and I'm like, oh, look at that, more tips for studying Spanish. So that's something important that you need to probably read. And you read it and you're done. So that's what you have to do. And then you go back to your form, you fill in the answers to these questions, and then you click next. And you had your post viewing part. So you're gonna do your post viewing part, and once you finish, you click submit, and I will receive your form. So that is your activity for today. And I put here, you don't need to submit this assignment on Canvas. I will check the form. So you don't need to give me anything but complete that form. Okay? Summary for today. You go back to your assignment from last class, you record your video, and submit that video on Canvas. And you're going to log in your VirtualBook, find this assignment about the video, open the form, complete the form, submit the form. That's what you had to do for today. Do not forget to report attendance. First thing you do every time that you open your class plan. If you have any questions, you contact me. You can email me. You can call me. You can send me a text message, and I'll be glad to help you with whatever I can. I'll see you soon. I think we may be meeting on Fridays. So I'll keep you posted. It was good well, I didn't see you this time, but okay. It's good to talk to you, and we'll stay in touch. All right?